It will do, because if you look at your clamp,
Yeah.
if you look from underneath, it's cracked. So the tighter you do
Oh, I
it,
see.
it will just split.
Okay. All right. No problem. Need to get another clamp.
Now to put your clamp on.
Yeah. Okay. No problem.
Because obviously, if it breaks, then I don't have one of those clamps.
Yeah. No. Fair enough.
Yeah?
What's this then, Eldin?